Hey guys, this is iCustom iPhone, and today we're working on an Xbox One S that won't boot up. As you can see, it doesn't want to turn on at all. So the first step is to unplug the power cable for the hard drive. So now I'm going to try to power it on. There you go, we got a fan spin. That's a good sign. Hey guys, so after troubleshooting the Xbox One S, I found out the hard drive power cable went bad. So what I did to fix this was replace it, and everything seems to be working fine now. Please subscribe and like this video, and thank you for watching.